Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to enable contactless on Revolut so you can pay faster with just a tap. First, open your Revolut app on your phone. At the top menu, tap on Cards. Next, choose the physical card you want to set up. In this example, I'm using the standard card. Now, tap on Settings. Scroll down the options until you find Contactless Payments. Simply toggle the switch on to activate contactless payments. And that's all it takes. And that's it. Your Revolut card is now ready for tap and go payments at stores, cafes, and more. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.